Hello guys. Today we will be unboxing a Monitronics Ademco LYNX-R keypad. So enjoy the video or something okay bye.
Hey guys, New Jersey Signs and Trains here, and today I got something in the mail once again, so let's check it out. Of course I can't do that, so I'm just gonna cut it open. Here we go, we're cutting it. But I actually literally can't cut it. So, funny story actually, I was trying to look for this package because it didn't show up on my doorstep. I called UPS, USPS, I all got put with a clanker, and it was so annoying. But finally, my neighbor John picked it up accidentally because he thought it was for another person. So, here it is. Another box. Let's go through it. I wonder what it could be, even though I literally just ordered it. It is a mystery, isn't it, guys? There you go. Opening this side. Alright, here we go, guys. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. That's pretty small. No, that's a good size. Look at that, guys. Monitronics LYNX. Wow, that is so cool. My grandma has one of these. I wanted it for nostalgia, so I finally got one. And wow, that's pretty heavy. All right, guys, let's set it up. All right, guys, time to power it up. Wow. What the hell? Hold on. That was so loud. Wait, I need to, take this screw out. Hold on. All right, take two. Wow. No way. Look at that, guys. Wow. Holy crap. I don't know what the user code is. But, hey, at least it turns on and it works. All right, guys, so now I got everything set up. Thanks to someone in the Protostar Alarm Monitoring Discord server. Please join it. It's really cool. They have really cool people there. And, anyways, let's do a little system test, shall we? So, I got my door sensor hooked up here. Now, let's go.
Arms away. Exit now. Arms away.
Nice.
Disarm system now.
Just let it go into an alarm.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Disarmed.
Nice.
Ready to arm.
All right, let's go into the stay.
Armed. Stay. Exit now. Armed. Stay. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
You can also arm it by... There we go.
Armed. Away. Exit now. Disarmed. Ready to arm. Armed. Stay. Exit now. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
Panic.
Disarmed. Not ready. arm.
That's weird. Check. Medical.
Disarmed. Not ready to arm. Disarmed. Ready to arm.
So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I guess for here we got, you know, everything. And there's where the AC goes and some hardwire zones and the battery. I believe that these batteries charge like while they're connected to AC. I hope that's how it works, because that's pretty cool. And anyway, you know, you got everything. Speaker, all that. There's the alarm. You know, your standard smoke detector alarm, horn. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, that was the unboxing of my new Lynx keypad. My grandma has one, so I thought I'd get one as, like, you know, nostalgia. Even though it's still active and she still lives there. And I'm technically also there with my dad. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you later.
So ya está tu este video, ok bye.